Hello my friends, how are you? I'm Dr. Hamada in Alantably. I'm from Egypt. I have PhD in sports management from Faculty of Physical Education in Alexandria University. The title of my master thesis was a proposal model to develop administrative performance of sports clubs through total quality management. Also, the title of my PhD thesis was a proposal model to develop human resource management through some of contemporary trends such as globalization, technological development, organizational development on planning departments at departments of youth and sports in Arab Republic of Egypt. Now, I will talk to you about some of my scientific achievements. I have attended 11 international conferences in all of Arab countries, and also I have one conference in Russia. I have 16 papers that published in international scientific magazines and international conferences. Also, I had 10 books in sports management. Topics was total quality management, human resource management, creativity in sports institutions management, also in sports tourism and in scouts and another topics. Also, I was working as a lecturer in sports science department at College of Maritime Transport and Technology at Arab Academy for Science and Technology and Maritime, and now I work in Alexandria University. Now, I will talk to you about an important issue: sports management. Sports management all time in all of our Arab countries is the point of accusation. Any loss of sports, all of sports media just say that sports management is guilty. Really? If sports management is guilty, I think it's not. Now, we want to ask ourselves one question. Where are we from the sport industry? Did our Arab countries know that sports in all of the world is industry? I think it's not. To know the power of sports, I will focus on just Nelson Mandela said before. Sports has a power to change the world. It has a power to inspire. It has the power to unite people in the way of little else does. It speaks to use a language they understand. Sports can create the hope where once there was only despair. It's the power of sport. Did our Arab countries know that? I think also it's not. Now we want to ask ourselves one question, another question. What's sports management? What's the meaning of sports management? Sports management is any combination of skills related planning, organizing, directing, controlling, budgeting, leading and evaluating within the context of an organization of the department whose primary product or service is related of sport and or physical activity. Now we'll talk about principles of sports management. In essence, sports management is application of management process to sports environments. Sports managers need management skills, experience, and understanding of both of sport system and the value of sports in society. Now we'll talk about goals for sports managers. What's our goals? Did our goals is financial? Is it for society health? Is it for sport for health? And another goal. To achieve these goals, we will focus in 3 issues or 3 topics: scientific management, human relation movement, organizational behavior. Also, we wanted to talk about functional areas of sports management. Sports management focused on 4 topics: planning, evaluating, leading, and organizing. Also, we have key skills for sports managers. Every sports manager should have these key skills: people skill, communication, managing diversity, managing technology, decision making. It's one of very important skill to any sports manager. Organizational politics, managing chance, motivation. It's another important skill. Talking to intuitive and communication. Now I think we want to creating future. To creating future, we will know that sports is industry. Sports related products, goods, service places, and people, ideas. Sports industry, we can segment it at its segmentation by product for all of three types. Sports promotion segment, sport production, with sports performance. Sports promotion such as promotional events, sponsorship, multi-sponsorship, signal teams sponsorship. Also the sports product segment with topics of performance production and medical care, sports facilities, and governing bodies and officials. The third segment is sports performance. It's for athletics, it's for professional sports, private business sports. We wanted to talk about unique aspects of sports management: human resource management, sports teams management, facilities management, event management. Every sports manager just have one of these four aspects: human resource management, or event management, or facilities management, of sports team management. I think I have finished my lecture today. I wanted to thank you for your attendance, and thank you for your listening. Thank you very much, and goodbye.